everyone, it's me. I was hoping Ron was going to be with me, but he is actually inside our apartment dealing with the maintenance man, and 3 out of our 6 toilets are clogged, so that's kind of important. But I just wanted to touch base because we got a beautiful sunset, and let you know that we haven't gone AWOL. We've just been out and about Christmas and New Year's Eve, and we've had Brianna come and join us. So we decided to take you out and about on the roads. We went to the racetrack yesterday and saw Jamie, so we thought we'd show you a little bit about what our friends do for fun here. They get their motorbikes, their road bikes, and we can take them to an autodrome. And I can tell you it was one of the most scariest, loud experiences that I've ever had. And we were just inside on the pit area. So the noise was exhilarating, and I think I can hear Rowan coming.
Hello!
Hi!
Long time no see.
It's been since you've seen our gorgeous faces.
Absolutely, you've seen us around.
We have been out and about. We've taken the camera out and about and shown you a little bit about Dubai, we thought.
Yes, and it's, well, we're doing a bit of a catch-up because it's been very busy over the last couple of weeks, and also other things have happened. Yeah.
Yes.
We've been sick as well.
We were sick. We were sick like we've all never been sick before.
Yes.
Started with Jackson, 2 days later me, 2 days later, 2 days later Kane,
And then
2 days later Jake. And it actually went right through our Christmas. We had stomach flu. It was a bug obviously Australia has not seen because we've got all of us.
So we apologise for not doing the videos and being out there, but we were very sick and knocked out. So.
But we're better.
Yeah, but in that time we also had Christmas, which was fantastic, and had a few people over.
Yeah.
Belated because they didn't want to come and see us.
Yeah, we had like a black cross on our door, don't come near us. Because we were
Diseased. Yeah. So they came over a couple of days later and we were all feeling much better.
It was 2 days before New Year's Eve we had our Christmas because we had 1 day to clean up after our Christmas celebrations, and then we opened the house and said, why not have New Year's Eve at our place?
That's what you do.
So we ended up having a few friends over, a few Swedish friends. We bought more Swedish friends.
No, lovely.
They were lovely. They brought their dog and heaps of food, and we saw brilliant fireworks.
Yeah. The New Year's Eve, we can't show it because our clarity wasn't that great, but on YouTube there's obviously a lot more of the fireworks, and it was fantastic from our balcony.
Our balcony, you got to see Burj Al Arab and Atlantis, and it was a case of which was better, which was better, which was better.
Yeah,
Atlantis was brilliant, like full on and brilliant. Burj Al Arab went longer and went big crescendo at the end. It was pretty awesome.
It was nice.
And then we had the opening.
Yes. Before that, we had more surprise.
Yes.
We had Brianna come over and come to join us on the second.
Yeah, they've already seen that. We put up a video of that. It's quite emotional for some people.
For me.
Brianna. It's very exciting. So she's with us now, quite excited. We love having her here.
Yeah, in fact, she's doing camera work at the moment, so thanks, Breeze. And also, we had then the opening of the Burj Khalifa. I thought it was a Burj Dubai, but it's now called Burj Khalifa.
I don't know. You know, it's coincidental though. Did you know it's actually the name of the sheikh?
Okay, this is our nutcase friend Jamie, who's on the track today at the Autodrome.
Whatever it is.
He's got up to 240 k's an hour on the straight before he ran out of track.
Brakes.
He's bought the loyal, and brakes, bought the loyal wife along, Beck, Shaz, Bree, Kane. He's about to go on and compete. You can hear the noise. So I've taken it now while he's not going anywhere because I'm sure he'll just be a flash and you won't see anything. So we're getting the gear on. Okay, Beck is just wishing him good luck. It's a nice looking bike, the Ninja. On top that little bit. Good luck, Jamie. There they go. We'll see him come around the track. Here they come to do their first lap. not sure which one's Jamie yet. Here we are, another part of the track. Jamie's going to come around shortly. Okay, it's Jamie's second session that we've seen, and he's up in the front of the pack here. Watch the rest of them come around. Here he is. Finish the laps. Here's the other thing you can do at the Autodrome is go-karting. There's an indoor track, this one, and an outdoor track, which is a lot bigger and faster.